This was definitely a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event on Friday for Ehang Holdings. It gapped higher, roughly 25%, just to close $5 below at the high of the day, roughly at $26. Before we get into the analysis, let's look at this article. China drone maker Ehang soars 20% after unmanned aircraft cleared for takeoff. So the company shares soared as much as 25% on Friday. Ehang obtained the required type certificate from the Civil Aviation Administration of China for its EH-216S aircraft early on Friday. The EH-216S is a two-passenger autopiloted eVTOL aircraft for urban environments. So what does this mean? Certificate means Ehang's aircraft complies with all CAAC safety standards and airworthiness requirements. It also qualifies the EH-216S to conduct passenger carry commercial operations. The EH-216F firefighting eVTOL is a first responder drone equipped with cameras, laser guided window breakers, foam launchers, and extinguisher bombs. The aircraft's max altitude of nearly 2,000 feet allows it to potentially combat fires in all but the tallest skyscrapers in China. Then they have a different model. It's called the EH-116. It's a one-passenger version of the EH-216. Company's unmanned aircraft cloud system is an airspace management, flight plan, and logistics system to run commercial operations. Now, over the last 2 years, Ehang conducted over 9,000 successful low-altitude flight trials across 20 locations in China, including 18 major cities. So that's just some background prior to them getting the go-ahead from the CAAC. So now, returning to the charts, and we're going to start with the monthly chart. We can see a low that was established in December of last year, and we can see price continues to respect this uptrend line, again with the origins starting in December. Going down to the weekly chart, again you can see that huge gap up in price. Again, although you had this $5 swing from the highs on Friday, you still closed up roughly $3 on the week. So again, this was definitely a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. Now, what's interesting is, before we go down to the daily chart, we can see price established weekly buyers at the $15 level. Formation, it was a rally in price, a basing candle, and then a rally out. Wasn't the strongest rally out. However, before price pulled back, we did get a close above the pivot high established in January of this year at the $18 level. So potentially that becomes support, as it was previously resistance. But it does not fill the gap. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. Now going to the daily chart. What you can see is price breached this downtrend line, again on the daily chart. Price was also in a channel Now, what does it look on the weekly chart? On the weekly chart, it just looks like a bull flag, as price again bottomed in December at $4 and has been making higher highs and higher lows. So if you like Ehang, don't chase price. Potentially wait for at least a gap fill. But the best level to go long is going to be the weekly bias level at $15. Just one thing to note, you have this huge rally out of the zone on huge volume. So you have daily buyers nested within this weekly bias level at $15. So this is going to be a huge level to go long if price can move down another $4 or so. You also have the 200-day moving average creeping higher, and at some point it will be within this zone. So a lot of things in favor for the Ehang shareholders. If you are considering getting in, look at the $15 level as an opportunity to go long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.